After speaking with our sales team and upgrading to Sage 50 Cloud and refreshing your license, you'll see a banner at the top of your desktop version. This gives you a quick and easy way to move your data to the cloud. This date shows the end of your individual desktop license subscription. It's not a general end date for the end of the product. When you move to the cloud version, we'll update your desktop license so you're not paying for desktop and cloud at the same time. You'll have until that date to move your data to the cloud, after which access to your desktop product will end, giving you a clear and manageable window to upgrade. Enter the email address you registered when upgrading to Sage 50 Cloud. When clicking Migrate Now, a full check of your data is carried out to make sure it's in good health before migration can proceed. If there are any discrepancies, these would need to be resolved before you can upgrade your data. If the company is not cloud connected, you will go through this process at this stage. You will then activate Copilot for all users, which ensures all users have an email address assigned to them, which they will need in order to be able to log into the company. They will receive an email letting them know that they have access and a link to log in once the upgrade is complete. The program will then take an all files backup of your data, which is then moved to the cloud for you. How long this will take will depend on the size of your data and how fast your internet speed is. Once the upgrade is complete, the desktop version of that company becomes read-only to prevent anybody accidentally processing new data in the old desktop software. You can see the name at the top shows it's now read-only. You'll receive a URL that gives you direct access to your cloud company. You can copy and save this link for quick access, whether that's adding it to your favorites, pinning it to your taskbar, or keeping it on your clipboard for easy use. If you have more than one company, you can at this point upgrade another company, or if you just have one company, you can simply log in at this point. Other users will receive an email using the email address you assigned to them during the upgrade process with a URL letting them know they now have access. To access Sage 50 accounts in the cloud for the first time, paste the copied URL into your web browser. You'll then be prompted to sign in using your email and password, with the option to save your details for quick access in the future. You may also be asked to accept or manage your browser cookies as part of the sign-in process. Once signed in, the first time you open the company, you'll see your data being securely restored into the cloud. When this is complete, your company will open in a new browser tab at the top of your screen. One way to access Sage 50 accounts in the cloud is by saving it to your favorites. I'm using Microsoft Edge for this demo. Other browsers may look a little bit different, but the process is broadly the same. Just click on the star icon to add it. From there, open your browser. You'll see a shortcut on your Favorites toolbar that you can click, or you can go to your Favorites and select Sage 50 accounts from the list. Enter your login details and you're in. You can also create a PIN for quick access. Open the three dots in the top right, go to More Tools, then choose whether to pin Sage 50 accounts to your Start menu or taskbar. If you'd prefer an icon on your desktop, you can create a shortcut using the web address. Start by copying the URL. Then on your desktop, right-click, select New and choose Shortcut. Paste the URL into the window. Select Next, give the shortcut a name and finish the setup. Once you've created the shortcut, you'll notice the icon looks different to your desktop version, making it easy to tell whether you're opening your cloud or your desktop company. Once created, you can open Sage using the shortcut and log in as normal. If you have access to more than one company, you might want to keep multiple companies open at the same time. We can see here that I'm logged into my Sage demo company. If you have access to multiple companies, select the plus icon in the top left, then choose the company you'd like to open and log in. In this example, I'm selecting my Sage Demo 1 company. If we hover over the Sage icon, you'll see both companies listed, making it easy to see and switch between companies. Once you've upgraded to the cloud, your desktop version becomes read-only. This helps prevent any data being entered there by mistake. On the company selection screen, you'll see the status shown as migrated to the cloud.